something that needs a little fixin' on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Hey, while I was down in Raleigh checking out something else, I came across these. Look at this. Monster trucks. These folks were getting ready to have a monster truck rally, and they had these parked out here to kind of generate interest. But look at that, man. Look at that supercharged V8 right there. And look at these frames. I mean, these are 100% custom chassis. 4 shocks on each side, and those are air or hydraulic powered, I assume. The front here, the front suspension has got to be one of the beefier ones I've ever seen. I mean, just look at the setup here. Incredible stuff. And it's amazing to me that these things still occasionally, break while they're making these runs. They had 2 of these, this one here and another one. These were based on S10 models from like the 80s, square body S10s. Really cool. And again, the body is sitting on a fully custom chassis, but looks like that one needs a bit of an alignment. Look at the inside wear on those tires. Better take them down to the local tire store and get those figured out, right? But it was interesting to me just walking around. The people were super nice. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to stay for the actual truck rally, but it was kind of cool seeing all this stuff. Was the differences. Like, look at the suspension on this one is completely different than the suspension on the last one we looked at. And there's even another S10 model back there that has, here it is here, that's like even more different. Thunder Chicken. I love it. This one was an extended cab S10 square body, and the body on it alone was, just cool to go up and look at one in such great shape. But again, look at this frame. Now, this one is sitting on an S10 frame. This was like very different again than all the other ones. So check out the underside here. Look at how many leaves is in there. I mean, this is a very different setup than the other 2. And I think I like this one the most because it looked like something that maybe a family could put together on their own. I bet with a lot of money, but still, it was really cool that they were able to do something like that. Here's the fuel cell. The engines on some of these were built in the back, and you could see, I mean, just take a look. I'm just going to let the camera roll here. Look at this. And they did have, like, and you can see the chains in the back. Some of them had nylon cloths, but they were like overextenders, like if the suspension traveled too far up, these chains would hold it from coming completely apart, which I thought was pretty interesting. There's your transmission mounted in the middle there. So you're feeding pretty much everything from a mid-engine setup, both going forward and to the back of the truck. So a very unique setup, no doubt. I've never seen anything like it, and it was really cool to have the opportunity to get this close to these. Anyway, I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.